Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare bagels for breakfast. Preheat your oven or toaster oven to 375 degrees F so you can finish bagels warm and evenly. Slice each bagel carefully with a serrated knife to avoid crushing the crumb. Lightly butter or oil the cut sides before toasting for a crisp, golden result. Prepare spreads and toppings while bagels warm and assemble right before serving for best texture and flavor. Choose spreads and toppings that add texture and balance to your bagel without overwhelming it. For a rich choice, whip plain cream cheese with lemon zest and herbs for brightness. Smoky salmon with red onion and capers creates a satisfying savory bite that pairs well with everything. For a lighter take, mash avocado with a squeeze of lemon and add tomato slices and salt for freshness and contrast at breakfast. Preparing bagels ahead saves time and keeps mornings calm and tasty. Keep unsliced bagels in a paper bag for a day or freeze sliced bagels in a resealable bag with parchment between pieces. When you want one, toast straight from frozen or let slices thaw briefly and finish in the toaster oven to refresh texture. This method keeps crumb and crust pleasant so every breakfast feels freshly made.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.